here and put your finger on this top edge right here. I want everyone to do that. I like to be comfortable with I'm installing, because so think of it. So let's just say we're new to window tint, and you're trying to drop this tint in here. It's very awkward trying to hold all that while you're standing. And look, you're not at eye level. I know how other installers can do that, but they have done this thousands and thousands of times, okay? So get your target at eye level. Get the chair, okay? So now, look, I'm comfortable, I'm relaxed. When you're installing the first time, you are gonna get a little nervous. It's okay, but just be confident in what you're showing you, and it's okay to make mistakes. You know why? Why do you think? What? You could take it off. We're not doing brain surgery here. It doesn't look good. Take it off. There's 100 feet of film over there, okay? So we're at eye level. Here's my target. I like to clean these seals really, really good. Oopsie. Okay. Can I see someone's scrub pad, please? Thank you. Man, you're quick. All right. So I like to shoot a little bit of water inside here, and then with your scrub pad, you want to get in there really, really good, kind of like you're brushing your teeth. Everyone knows how to do that, right? Everyone has good teeth here. I love that. Okay, now look at all that. What is that? Dirt. Okay, in window tint, dirt is the enemy, because when that gets inside the window tint and it dries, it looks terrible. It looks like little ants. It looks like trash, okay? So do a really, really good job in scrubbing that until it goes away. And then I like to do a second wipe down with the towel, sponsored by Expel. Okay, clean in there really good. All right, so now this part is done. Roll the window all the way up. Okay, now we're gonna wet everything. Don't be scared to get this really, really wet, okay? Also, notice the soapiness, okay? If you don't see this soap pattern on your window, there's a little red flag that needs to go off in your brain. Oh, shoot, I don't have enough soap in here, okay? If you don't have enough soap, what do you think it does to the window tint when you're trying to put it on? Okay, and then once you stick it and it doesn't move, the tint's ruined, okay? All right, so wet this really, really good. This is the cleanest side. And pick a side, this side, it's up to you. Up and down the entire window. Okay, stop halfway. And then, what direction do you think I should go? Okay, side to side. We call that crosshatch because you're doing like a hashtag symbol. Okay? Or, I mean, is that a pound sign?
Yes.
There, pound sign, okay? Okay, and as I'm scrubbing, I'm feeling it with my fingertips, okay? Look, it's dual action, fingertips, scrub pad. So as I'm scrubbing, I'm feeling, okay? I know there's some little kids here, like mine right here. Mr. Maximus loves to put stickers on windows. When you're feeling it and you feel like a little sticker, that means there was some leftover glue from a sticker or anything like that. So if you feel that, make sure you scrub a little bit more harder, okay? All right. All right, up and down, left to right, same thing, feeling. And then with this, I want everyone to come here and put your finger on this top edge right here. I want everyone to do that. What is that? What does it feel like?
Scratchy. I guess scrub.
Okay, but like this little space, what does that little space feel like? Exactly. So that's a perfect home for dirt. Okay, so very similar to how I did this, you're going to do that in here. Watch. What is that? No. What did I say earlier? It's the enemy. No mercy, like Cobra Kai, right? I'm kidding. All right, so clean this really, really good because you don't want that to come down inside your window tint pattern because it's just going to fall down. It's gravity, okay? Same thing here. All right, and then, oh, it's right here. I like to clean the entire, look, I'm putting my towel over, okay? Just go run it across really, really good. Because that's gonna, it's almost like a dirt magnet. That's gonna capture any of